Guys, so as you can see, I'm a little bit more blonde than I was last time you saw me. I'm in the process of bleaching and dyeing my hair. So I did one round last night, didn't record it. Just gonna record this round. Sweet and Low, bootleg Wawa Sweet and Low. Shout out to Wawa. In my bowl, that's to help with the burning sensation. The rest of my packet of bleach over 40 volume developer. Try not to use any over like 20 to 30. I thought I had 30 volume. I was impatient. I got this originally to dye a wig, so that's why I was kind of like, whatever, it's a wig. But yeah, try not to go over like 20 to 30 volumes. And it's not, yeah. So I gotta be like super careful. That's why I'm definitely for sure doing this in 2 rounds. I made sure I did a protein treatment last night after the first round, and now that's why I'm here right now, like this. I'm just gonna add the rest of these packets of Sweet and Low. This is like mad powdery. Ugh, I feel it in my mouth. I'm putting it all in a mixing bowl. Hopefully nice and mixing bowl. And I have a tinting brush as well. I don't have gloves. If you're gonna bleach your hair, have gloves. Trust me. The blue is the Clairol blue lightening powder, and I just got that because, you know, it's supposed to help a little bit with some of like with toning and stuff a little bit. Using them together, they're getting pretty homogeneous. Mix and feel homogeneous. I already have some like hair grease around my edges and stuff like that. Just gonna put in this developer. 40 volumes. Rest in peace and pieces. So people tend to think that developer, like higher developer, it'll bleach your hair more. No, it just does it faster. So I'm not going to leave this in for super long.
Gonna mix it up real nice.
Some parts of my hair just don't take as well as other parts. So you can see, if I go like this, you can see like around here-ish didn't take very well. And on this side for sure, because I hit this last. So these are going to be the first places that I put product. And also, because I don't have gloves, I'm going to use a plastic bag when I need to like mush stuff into my hair. If I had longer hair, I would have made sure my hair is stretched, and I would have literally just bleached the parts that were like the new growth. But my hair is short, so I'm just gonna slap it on there. So it's mixed up pretty nicely. This is actually a pretty good ratio. Kudos to me. I'm gonna pat myself on the back for that one. And here we go. I'm gonna take my glasses off. I'm actually gonna start a little bit farther back though, around here. Oh God, here we go. Yeah, it's like pretty liquidy. Do not bleach your hair while your hair is wet. Okay? I learned this the hard way. Some people say that you can, some people say not to. I will suggest to you to not bleach your hair while it's wet. And the reason for that is because sometimes you have hard water and you have different minerals and metals in your water. Metal will react with the bleach. A bit damp. Last time I bleached my hair, which was around March, my hair was still a bit damp. And in my school, I guess we had hard water, and I ended up burning my scalp. I ended up having a chemical burn like around this area, and my hair was, while my scalp was healing, my hair was coming out. And I mean, my scalp is healed now. No, that experience has not scared me from bleaching my hair. I just know to be more careful now. I feel it some in the back, but that's just also because that area is way closer to my scalp. If you have curly hair and you're bleaching your hair at home, stretch your hair without too much trauma, like, you know, banding or some twists or braids actually probably would be better, like plaits. And that's simply because so you can get all up in there. Put this on my head. rub product in so I can make sure I get down there. So yeah, I'm going to come back in a couple minutes after I rinse this out. I'm back. So protein. I'm actually going to just use this for right now because I actually want to go in with my dye, the fun part, which means I actually need to leave and come back again. All right, I'm back for right now. I thought about the order of which I wanted to do stuff. So I'm going to take my AphoG Keratin and Green Tea Restructurizer, and I'm going to spray that on my hair. But yeah, so when I come back, then it will be in black and white, and you'll get to see the color. And I'm back. I changed my shirt to a shirt that I wouldn't be upset if I got dye on it, because the shirt's black. Other shirt's white. I mean, come on. And I actually got some of the freaking like blue bleach rinse water on the other shirt. So that was great. Ready to mix my dye now. So I'm hiding. This is all going to be in black and white. This, I'm going to take Adore dyes. I have 3 different colors here. I'm going to put them together. So I have a piece of paper. This is toilet paper. But I'm testing it on this piece of toilet paper to see the colors where I want it. It's not. So, I'm just going to start putting this on my head. Let's hope for the... Oh! I spilled a whole bunch of it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Alright, so got most of that off the ground. Well, let this sit. Let it sit. Then we'll rinse it off. And come back for the second part of this video, which will also be in black and white. Alright, so I'm back. I'm a little tired. I really want to take a nap, but I'm like, let me finish this. Had to let my phone charge. And hair dry some. So now it's damp. And yeah. So this is gonna be like the last step. Hair videos suck. Oh my god. Like, ugh. Hair videos suck, man. But Nah, so I'm going to do the intense protein treatment now. My hair actually feels pretty good, but I know that I should just do this, for good purpose. GP what? So my hair didn't turn out too bad. It's not super uneven, which is great. It's not what I wanted it to be. So that sucks. But yeah, so I'm gonna put on the AphoG 2-step protein treatment. So basically, it's a really intense protein treatment. You put it on your hair, you comb it through. Usually I can't comb it through because of my hair is, but since my hair is really short and I already picked it out earlier, I'll be able to comb it through. You let it sit on there, you go under the dryer or you use a hand dryer to blow on it. Do not agitate your hair, it will break off. This stuff gets like really hard, and then this stuff gets like super duper hard. And then you rinse it with warm water, and then you use the AphoG conditioner, like balancing moisturizer, which I left downstairs because that's where I'm going to be using it. And then when I come back, I'll be styling my hair. So yeah, let's get into this. I'm gonna open it. This stuff is like super sticky. I don't want to take off my jacket. I'm cold. I'm like almost always cold. Like, if you ask how I'm doing, I'll be like, oh, I'm cold, 1 second. Right, back. Why are you clapping? Like, who am I? What am I doing with my life? I just had to turn on Do Not Disturb. I was texting someone. I don't want any text messages or phone calls to interrupt my time with you guys. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this on my hands and put it then on my hair. Let me comb through the top real quick before it dries. Once it starts to dry, don't disturb your hair. It will break your shit off. I mean, it hasn't ever personally happened to me. I'm just saying that's what'll happen. So yeah, you're supposed to like comb it through so it gets like all even everywhere. I'm actually not gonna sit under the dryer. I'm gonna sit in front of the space heater, and I will be back when it's time to style my hair. Finally, the final stretch, so I can like take a nap. I'm so tired. So I did the protein treatment. I took some of the balancing moisturizer, put it in my hair, combed it through, let it sit for 2 minutes, and now we're just styling. So I repurposed this old AphoG bottle. I put an oil mixture in here. It's just some grapeseed oil and tea tree. Nothing crazy. I'm just gonna put that in my hands. I'm gonna put that at the shaved parts first. Slipped out of my fingers. Butterfingers. I'm taking this Lotta Body. It's the 5-in-1 leave-in treatment. And oh my god, if I can open it. Dang. Okay. I'm actually gonna spray it into my hands. Throw it together. Put it all over. I don't really like spray leave-in conditioners very much. I feel like they don't do anything for my hair, but this one, it's like really thick. Oh, I should probably show it. So see, it's like mad thick. There's that. Put the lid back on, Lovely. Alright. My hands are so slippery. I'm gonna take some more protein spray and spray that. Next, I'm taking this mousse, Water Body mousse, and I'm literally only styling the top of my head, like the bottom. I just like, you know, brush down. But I put this on there. Use them. Probably definitely don't need to use as much as I did, but basically I put it on my hair and I just rub it around. Like instead of using the sponge method, because I don't own one of those little sponges, your fingertips work just as well. So I just take my fingertips and go in different little circles all around my head. So this is the Lotta Body Shape Me Custard Gelée. Ooh, gelée. Use that gelée. Sorry. I'm going to put it all over my hands so I can get it all over. And again with the fingertips. I let it dry, and then I usually do this at night so then my hair has time to dry, and then in the morning I just pick it out and put my curls be pizzopping, okay? Like, and they'd be like, wow. Later I'll take like a brush and brush this part down. But yeah, once I do my hair, and you'll get a better idea of that later when this is in color. Okay.